I am Jordan Dorsey, and this is my sister Jasmine Dorsey. She's 22. My mother could not do it for me because she has the flu right now, so I had to use my sister. Okay, we're going to get started on the paper you assigned me. And it says, in a basketball game, Marlene made 16 field goals. Each of the field goals were worth either 2 points or 3 points, and Marlene scored a total of 39 points from field goals. Let X represent the number of 2-point field goals and Y represent the number of 3-point field goals. Write a system of equations in terms of X and Y to model the situation. So, I think that what we need to do, so let's go to this, and it tells us about the system of equations. It says a combination of 2 or more equations with 2 or more unknowns that represent a problem situation. There can never be more unknowns than an equation. The solution to a system of equation is an ordered pair. So we know that there's going to be 2 equations, and we started off by underlining the key terms. So one of them was 16 goals, and then we underlined each, which means to multiply. And then we underline either 2 or 3, and then we underline 39 points, which was the total. And that total means in all. And then
No. Wrong.
Am I
16.
wrong?
Listen. You're not multiplying the 2.
I didn't say we were multiplying. I said I underlined that because it means to multiply. I'm not saying that we're multiplying that by anything.
Oh, I got you.
Okay?
Yeah, we good. Go ahead. My bad.
So, I think that now we have to find the first equation. So,
alright, so basically, these 2 points, no, X and Y is the amount of points. So that's going to equal up to 16 field goals. So that will be X plus Y equals 16.
Well, you said it better than I did.
You dumb.
Alright. X plus Y will equal 16 according to my sister. And then, so now that we know that we think that is the first one, right? The first equation. Then we have to do the second one. Equation.
So whatever we have for the second, I'm sorry to take over, but whatever we have for the second one has to equal 39 points. So basically, X is 2-point field goals, so that would be multiplied by 2, so that would be 2X.
Okay.
Plus, and Y is the 3-point field goals, so you will multiply 3 and Y, so that would be 3Y, and then that equals 39.
Oh, because 39 is the total.
Yeah. Because alright, so X and Y is the amount of. Is going to equal 16 field goals. But to get to the 39 points, you got to put the 2-point field goals plus the 3-point field goals. So you will have to put 2X plus 3Y, and that will equal 39. You get it?
Yeah. Okay, I get it. Alright, now we have to find X and find Y. Right? So, so for part B, it says, how many 3-point field goals did Marlene make in the game? Enter your answer in the box. So, I think what we need to do is find for Y. Because we already know that up here it says Y represents the number of 3-point field goals. So, we got to solve for Y. So, we will have to do... We would have to rewrite this equation, but subtract.
We gotta basically.
So now we're gonna, finish working on part B, and
what I'm thinking is basically. So we gotta do X. Give me a piece of paper.
Okay. So in order to find part B, we're going to substitute X for 16 minus Y. So the equation that we got was 2 times 16 minus Y plus 3Y equals 39. Now we have to use PEMDAS to break that down. So we're going to start with the parentheses. 2 times 16 is 32. And 2 times negative y is negative 2y. And then you, of course, you bring down the 3y and the equal 39. So the equation was 32 minus 2y plus 3y equals 39. Now we also still have to break it down some more. So now here we see like terms. Negative 2y plus 3y. Now we all know when you subtract in a negative and a positive, whatever number is greater is going to be the sign that comes out for the outcome. So negative 2y plus 3y would be y. It wouldn't be negative y because the 3 is positive. So it'll be, we got 32 plus y equals 39. Now, after that, we subtract 32 on both sides of the equal sign, and that gave us y equals 7. So, for the answer for part B, oh, wait, I did it wrong. Yeah, y equals
7 because x equals 9.
Right. So then we came over here. In order to find x, we have to substitute that y that was next to 3. We had to put 7 there. So we got 2x plus 3 multiplied by 7 equals 39. So then we did 2x plus 21 equals 39. Then we subtract 21 on both sides of the equal sign, and we got 2x equals 18. And in order to find the value for x, we have to divide 2 on both sides of the equal sign, and we got 16. So the answer was 9.
So x equals 9 and y equals 7.
So yes.
So if this was on the graph, those would be the coordinates.
Yep. So x
it took us a minute to figure this out.
Equals 7. And that is our coordinates. And